guys, welcome back to Coconut VA's application walkthrough series, Module 2, where in this particular module, we talk about the application form walkthrough updated version as of June 2024. So this time it's easier and it's shorter. So keep on watching, guys. All right. What you see right now is the pre qualifying assessment or pre qualifying quiz. So before you even get here, guys, you'll see the link of this pre-qualifying quiz in the job description or in the caption of every job post that we upload in our social media accounts. So once you click that link, you will be led to this page right away. And most of you guys, once you get here and you see the start button, you click that button right away. Okay? But what you don't know, guys, is that the first thing to do, which is pretty obvious, is to read the instructions. And it says here, no, before you go through this pre-qualifying quiz, is to head to the English proficiency level exam. And the link is right there. All you have to do is to copy it and paste it and visit the specific link in a specific browser. And a lot of you guys would ask me, John, where do I find the English proficiency? It's right here. It's right in front of you. You didn't read it. So, anyways, once you're done with that, once you get the link, you copy and paste it in a browser, you'll see this web page. From here, you'll click this button right here and go through this test or this quiz, for 15 minutes. And once you get the results, and then you can start going through this pre-qualifying assessment already and click start. Now, as you guys know, I will not show you what's inside this pre-qualifying quiz or assessment because this will tell if you are qualified or not. Okay, once you're done with that, once you're done with the quiz and you're able to indicate that pre-qualified that English test, English level proficiency level right there, and you went through the test and you made it, you will see this confirmation page. All right, from there, right, if you scroll all the way down, you click apply now, and it will lead you right away to our application form. And yes, guys, this is really, really shorter. All right, let me go through this with you right now. So, of course, go through your full name. So, John Blauta, gender, male, where you based in the Philippines, Luzon, registered for phone number 0917 123 4567. Ayan, di ba? Email, make sure you use a professional email. So, jam.blauta@gmail.com. What's your English proficiency level? Let's say C1, C2. List all tools here. Okay, literally everything. Everything. All right. Indicate the job code here. So every job opening or job post that we add in our job postings, there's a job code there. So indicate, hey, job code here. Okay, or NA if you're submitting a general application. All right. Now, what hourly rate in USD you're expecting? Let's say you want to do $8 to $10. That's okay. You can use multiple like 5 to 7 and then 11 to 14. Up to you. You can do multiple. How many hours can you work? Let's say part time lang, 20 hours a week. And then next is so no more what do you call this? The other personality test already. You'll go directly to the to the resume. So Coconut VA has we have our own Coconut VA profile template. Copy this and then paste it on your browser and go to this in the future manuals or modules of this series, guys. I will walk you through with how to actually go through the how do you actually make your own Coconut VA resume. So I will skip that one. Once you're done with that, save as PDF, upload it here. After that, okay, now it's the time to create your 1 minute video, which you will see again that specific guide on how to create that impactful 1 minute video in another module in this series. It's already uploaded. All right. Go through that, no? Go through all instructions. Okay. Once you go through all those instructions, okay, you get the link and then share it here. The Loom shared link, you have to paste it here. And then lastly, very important guys, wag niyo tong i-miss, no? How did you hear or learn about Coconut VA? If okay, you found this specific job post, I want to highlight this, guys. If you found this specific job post in a Facebook group of a community, or it was referred to you by a friend, then please click referral. Again, if you found that job posting from a community group on Facebook, okay, or a page of an influencer or creator, then please go to and choose referral. From there, please name, okay, put the name of the group, of the FB group. Let's say, Makava, yan, or Bloggy, no? Bloggy Mary. Please indicate the name of the group, FB group, okay, or the person who referred you, and then click submit, as easy as that. Once you submit the form, you will get an email indicating that you are part of the talent pool already. All right. And there are things that you need to know about it. And I want to discuss it to you guys because you keep on asking this. You guys don't really read emails, but all the instructions for the next steps are there. So pag nakuha mo yung email na yun, nakalagay sa email yun na number one, you're already part of the pool, of the talent pool, but you are not hired yet. Number two, no, matching is not guaranteed. Number three, no, ang number T dyan, if nothing happens with your application within 2 to 3 months, then you may reapply after 90 days with a fresh or better profile. So my suggestion to you guys is to actually, apply to other agencies or other clients because guys, hindi naman kami exclusive dito. Okay? While waiting for our confirmation for client matching, apply. Pag nauna ka doon, nagkaroon ka ng client doon, and biglang may na-match ka sa amin na part-time at kaya pa ng bandwidth mo, we can still accept you because we are not exclusive. All right? So, that is the summary, guys, of today's module. I hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next ones. Make sure to finish everything because the next few modules are very important. The resume, the introduction video, and the application tips in general. Thank you, and see you there. Bye.